Hello friends, my name is Viplab Rai and this is my channel Tech Toon Anime. Here you can see detailed description video about any technology in animation format. So in this video we will see what actually computer do with any program. Without wasting your time, let's go to the tutorial. So in computer we are writing a program using C, Python, Java like that, and when we are running the program then output is coming. But I'm sure lot of questions you have, like how computer understand our language. If computer does not understand our language, then who is helping to understand? What is the full process of computer programming language? Lot of questions you have. So in this video, I will solve your all of the questions and behind the scene of the programming language, how it is doing work. Now let's go to the behind the scene. Computer programming language is nothing, it is just called a source code. So what is source code? Here you can see any code written in high level language is known as source code. So it's simple. Which programming languages we are using like C, C++, Java, Python to write our code is called source code. It is designed to human readable and formatted in a way that developers and other users can understand. So this source code is converted into object code or machine code to understand the computer our languages, means the program. So what is object code? Here you can see this code is written in low level language like machine code or assembly language. It is usually produced by a compiler that reads some higher level computer language source instruction and translates them into equivalent machine language instruction. Means computer only understand the 0 and 1. So when we are writing a program using any high level language, so it converted into assembly language or low level language. After then it is converted into machine code or 0 and 1 by using simple process. Here is the example program of print hello world using C, Python programming language or high level language. Now let's go to the detailed advanced view of this process. First we are writing any program using any high level languages into any editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text Editor, PyCharm, VS Code, CodeBlock. After click on run button of the editor, this high level language means high level code converted into assembly language or low level language by the compiler or interpreter. So what is the compiler or interpreter? Let's look into the description. So a compiler takes the source code as a whole and translates it into object code or machine code all in one go. Once converted, the object code can be run at any time. This process is called compilation. Means the whole program directly converted into object code at a time and you can run it anytime to see the output. But what about the interpreter? An interpreter translates the source code into object code one instruction at a time, but the compiler does not. Compiler takes the whole program and it converted into object code all in one. So that's why compiler take to execute any program minimum of time, and for interpreters it takes too much time to execute any program. Some examples is there, compilers like Turbo C++, Turbo C, Python interpreter, Perl interpreter, Ruby interpreter, PHP interpreter. Like that, your program is being compiled or interpreted by this compiler. Can you remember that before run C program, in previous video I installed one library or package, that is CLang package. Using the CLang package, you are able to run C program. Using the Python library, you are able to run the Python package, Python programs. Without the Python library, you can't able to do any program. Means you can write the program, but you can't able to execute the program because the functions, what are the functions you are using in the program, that functions have been used from the library. So for that purpose, you need to install the library. So the high level language is converted into assembly language or low level language. Now after this low level language, it is compiled again using the assembler. This assembly language or low level language is converted into 0 and 1, which is understood by the computer. Assemblers converted in your low level language into object code or machine code, means the binary code. It create one machine code instruction for each assembly instruction. So these compilers, interpreters and assemblers are and translators. So what is translator? Translator is a program that converts your source code into object code. Generally there are three type of translators. So these are the three: compilers, interpreters and assemblers. So using these compilers, interpreters or assemblers, your high level language code converted into low level language, and then through the assembler your low level language code is converted into machine code. After then it is transferred to the any hardware device. Till now whatever you have learned, let's make it clear. Let's assume you have written a program in C. After then, it has to be translated into an assembly language program, which is specific to a particular architecture. That architecture is called ISA, means Instruction Set Architecture. This assembly language program consists of a number of instructions like load, means LDA, means load to accumulator, store for STA, store to accumulator, ADD means the add any two number, etc. Means this program have been translated into a set of instructions. So this set of instructions converted into machine language or binary code or 0 and 1. So now I hope you have no doubt about the computer programming language. Still now, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Comment your questions. I will try to give your question answer.
If you like this video, then, for helping your friends, please share it, and please subscribe my channel for the more tech videos, and I will help you to tell you about any technology in a systematic way.